Alright, yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to loose lace your Air Jordan 4s. This is the fastest and easiest way to loose lace your Air Jordan 4s, by the way. This method really only takes like 5 to 10 minutes. It's the quickest way for sure that I've ever experienced, so I want to share it with you guys. To make it so it's from this to this beautiful loose lace. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alright, so basically, you probably have your Air Jordans like this, or as long as they have the lace, this method will work. So basically, every single Jordan 4. I just got these shoes literally 30 minutes ago, and I'm about to show you guys how to loose lace these beautiful shoes right here. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to unlace every single hole until you get to this last lace right here. So we're just going to be pulling out every single lace like this. As you can see what we're doing. Okay, so as you can see, we are almost done with unlacing them. Okay, so now we are like this, and now you just have to stop right here. Just make sure you have one bar like this, and what you want to do is just go like this, just spread them out like that to give them a relaxed look, and then you want to take your laces and basically make sure they're straight. Okay, so then just put it into this hole right here, and then just keep pulling it until you get to about like a thumb's length, like that, as you can see, like that. And then you want to do the same exact thing with the other lace. Put it through there. Make sure it's a thumb, or you can make it looser or tighter. But I just feel like thumb length is the best. And then you just want to stretch it out like that, and then just keep repeating the process. Just pull on it every single time, and then just do it until you get to about this hole, and then I'll show you guys what to do after that. Okay, so now as you can see, we are at this point right here. So now what you want to do is lace them just like normal, but skip here, just move this away, and go to this hole. The one that I'm not covering is this hole right there. So it should look like this after you did it correctly. And then of course just do it to the other side like that, and then just stretch it out. And now you are almost done. Now what you have to do is take your first lace, then you see, put it in this second hole, this middle one right here. Just like that. You can put it as long as you want, and it should be looking like this on the inside, where there's only this one last hole left. And then of course do the same to the other side. So now your shoe should be looking like this. Now what you just want to do, the final step, put this lace into this middle hole, or any hole, but I just like the middle one the most, and boom. So now just do it to the other side, and boom, you are done. As you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty easy, especially if you get the hang of it, because I have 10 or 15 Jordan 4s, and I've done this to almost every single one of them, and it's just this easiest method in the world, I feel like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.